Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check the version of the Adobe Premiere Pro that you are using. Let's begin. Now, to check the version of Adobe Premiere Pro that you are using, we have two options, all right? Number one option is going to the section here where it says Help, all right? And click the Adobe About Premiere Pro. What will happen is you would see there is like a small screen moving right here that would give you the version that you are using. All right. Right now, I'm using a kind of like an old version. It's a version 15.4.1 or build 6. All right. And you have all these options for you. All right. So this is going to be the Adobe Premiere Pro that I am using. Now, if you wanted to know the version you are using the Adobe Creative Cloud, all you have to do is log into your Adobe account. Go to the Adobe official website. On the top right corner, I want you to click the All Apps or your Adobe account. You will be forwarded to this section. All right, it's kind of easy, really. Wait for it to load. Takes a little while, and just search for the Adobe Premiere Pro that you are using. All right. And then if you can't find the Adobe Premiere Pro, you see this. If you click on it, this is going to be the Premiere Pro. There's going to be the version for that if you have installed the Premiere Pro on your computer, right? It's kind of easy, really. Now, the third and last option is going to be going to the program files. Now, locate the Adobe Premiere Pro application. Right-click on it. There should be an option here that says Properties, and go to the Details. You would notice that you have the all details about the version that you are using. All right, it's kind of easy. Now, checking this, you would notice that you should be able to know the different version of Premiere Pro that may have unique features, tools, or effects. All right, because for example, in our YouTube production, in our G Plafs YouTube channel, one of my clients are giving me kind of tips for Adobe Premiere Pro. But the thing is, some of the tutorials or the how-tos are kind of different from the interface that I am using because I am using an older version. All right, so knowing the version is crucial to ensure compatibility and avoid potential issues when opening the project in different versions. Because Adobe frequently releases new features and updates, by knowing your version, obviously you can identify if you have access to the latest tools, effects, or improvements. If your version is outdated, you may need to update to take advantage of new features. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.